What's up? This is Joe and Luis from Team Brick City, and we just hopped our local, and we're here to open some packs. So here you go.
Let's see what we got.
All right, you can go first. And then...
so you can see them.
Ooh, a pack.
Not scale, no anything. Let's see.
Turn them around. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that comment.
Radiator crap. Secret blast.
Super common?
Damn.
See that secret. Oh!
Nothing.
Nah, the rest is not.
Do you want to do all yours first?
I'm moist.
From your...
This is Joe.
Alright, we got nothing. Alright, next pack.
Alright.
What's the date?
One of them. Farm Girl.
Let's see that farm girl.
Look back at this. Farm Girl's like $80. That one?
Pop that baby.
Oh. Let's see what we got.
It's like $4 or $5.
Oh!
What is it?
Caquita.
Caca.
Why are you holding caca?
The clowns though.
Alright, next pack.
Yosh.
Nothing.
Where'd you get these packs from?
Let's see.
Pick the best look.
We need to get something good.
Like a farm girl? Shit, I already opened this one.
Turn around, attaboy.
This is pretty good.
Nah, not
We
really.
have Omar. You don't know him yet.
Yeah, look.
And Caca.
Damn, dude, nothing.
Opening. No, this is a good suspense
Alright, see.
video. At the end, you get the best part, dude.
Wait, we got
The worst editing ever.
Ooh! How much is this? Like 20?
Damn.
I'll give you $3.50 for it.
Sick. Ultra.
Next pack. Next pack. I want to give a shout out to Yosh.
Or what's our teams? Because we're farm girl.
Hey, do you like how Patrick Hogan?
This is a good polo. You can sell this.
What is this?
Oh!
Damn.
Oh!
You like 30? 30 for that.
The Black Star Legion.
Alright, next pack.
Who's that? Say 5 farm girls. Say 5 farm girls.
Oh, now we got it. Oh!
What is that? What is that?
How much is that? Like,
Oh, that's $6.
Damn, that's like $1.
it's like 6.
That's $6.
Fuck, they charge you for recycling that.
Alright, our last pack.
Sorry, it's not zooming in for...
Last packs. It has a
Last
secret.
pack.
There's gonna be nothing, huh?
Yeah, no. Anything.
What do we got here?
Ghost!
Dun dun.
Nada. And oh!
Alright, last one. Probably gonna be nothing, dude. I think everything we're gonna got.
This isn't going on YouTube, right? Just buy a new ball.
Yeah, come on, hold on.
Post more.
Holy shit. Damn.
Dang, how much is it? Like $2?
It's like 20.
Good job, good pulls.
Hey, Kenny wants to buy that actually. Free stuff?
This is it. What?
The fuck?
This is what we got for more.